Hello friends, welcome to Paraku Mentor. This is the sixth video series of SQL. So in this series, we will cover what are the remaining data types that we have covered in our previous video lecture of data type in DBMS. So let's start. In our previous video lecture, we have covered what is char, what is varchar and varchar 2. So these three date, number and large object was remaining. So now we will complete one by one. So what is date data type? So what is date? Date is as simple as char and number data type. Okay. Uh, this is used to print the date. This is used to store or print the date. Only for this it is used. Okay. So Oracle specified two types of date. Okay. You can store date in your database in two formats according to Oracle. So what is the one format? One format is that DDMONYY. What it means? You have to mention the date, two digits of date. Date always comes in two digits. Okay. Okay. Again, then month. You have to mention only three digits of month. Okay. Let's suppose January. Okay. There are more than three digits. But if you want to store one Jan, then you have to okay, if you want to store 1 January, then instead of you writing 1 Jan 2020, you have to write only one three digits of month. Jan, Jan, Jan 2020. Just like here what I stored 18th June of 2020. Okay. So what I am writing just here 18 three digits of month JUN and two digits of last two digits of year 20. Okay, the second format which takes dd mon yy. Okay, so uses what is the use of second? Okay, if there why they are making two different formats to store the data. We can store the data by only one syntax like this only. Then what is the need of the second? Okay, so here there is one need that suppose if you want to store a fixed date. Suppose you want to store 15 August 1947, the Independence Day of India. Okay, now you cannot write like that 15 AUG 47. Okay, so if you write like that 15 AUG 47, then how you know that for which 47 you are talking about? Okay, it might be 1847, it might be 1747. Okay, so here we have to mention 15 August 1947. Okay, so if you are working on current date, okay, then there is no need to write okay 2020. Instead of you can only write 18 June 20. Okay, user will understand that. So this is all about the date format. What is date? Date is a data type, just like char and number data type. There are two date which are specified by the Oracle. First one takes DDMONYY and second one takes DDMONYYYY. Okay. So from date data type we came to know we can write date in two formats like 15. Okay. 15 AUG 47. Okay, DD MON by Y, or we can also write this like 15 AUG 1947. Okay, clear? So we can write the date like this and like this. Okay, apart from this, whatever you will be write, that is absolutely wrong. This is the only two specified date format uh, which are specified by the Oracle. Okay. Here, one thing you always must keep in your mind that date should always be enclosed with single quotes. Date should always be enclosed with single quotes. If you will not put single quotes here, if you will not put single quotes here, it will throw an error. Okay, syntax error. If you want to if you want to store the date in a database, you must be enclosed it with a single quote. Now the second data type is large object. Okay, this is our second data type, large object. This is really very simple, guys. There is no need to worry about this. Okay, there are, as I said in my previous lecture also, there are two types of data present in large object. One is character large object, another is binary large object. These are the two types of large object. Okay, so what we stored in character large object, we store only characters. In character large object we can store characters up to 4 GB of size. Okay, the syntax is CLOB, nothing else. CLOB, if you write like this, you can store 4 GB of data inside this, inside that. Okay, what is binary large object? Binary large object is used to store binary numbers. Okay, binary numbers of images, videos, mp3. Suppose you want to insert mp3, suppose you want to insert videos, suppose you want to insert images in your database, then that time what you will store, you will store that in the binary file format. Okay, so you can store up to 4 GB, up to 4 GB you can store in blob. Syntax is just simple, like write only blob. If you write blob, you can store 4 GB of binary data inside that variable. Okay, so the last one is number data type. This data type we frequently used in our database. So this is most important data type. So let's understand this. Okay, what is number data type? Number data type are used to store numerical value. Whatever the numerical value you want to store in your database, you must mention it with number data type. Okay, number data type can accept two arguments. One is precision and another is scale. So what is precision, what is scale? Let me give you one example. Suppose you want to store data like 658.78. Okay, now you want to store this. So what you will write, the what is syntax? Number of precision comma scale. So here what is the precision? Precision is nothing but the all the digits in this number. Here in this number, how many digits are there? There are total 5 digits. So here we will write 5. Okay, now comma. What is a scale? Scale is nothing but the decimal. Okay, the decimal digits. What are the number of decimal digits here? Here two decimal digits. Okay, so here we will write 5 comma 2. What it means? The number has 5 digits. And what to represent? To represent the decimal values. Okay, the decimal values present in this number, there are two decimal values, 7 and 8, and the total numbers are 5. Okay, let me increase the font size. Okay, now it will be very clear. Okay, so let's take one more example. Okay, now suppose you want to store 100 1023.762. Now now this data you want to insert in your database. So what you will be write? You will be write number of how many digits in this data. There are 4 5 4 5 6 7 digits. Okay, so here we will write 7 in precision. Okay, now what are the scale? How many digits present in decimal? 7623. Total 3 digits are present here. So we will write 7 comma 3. This is very simple, guys. Okay. So if you want to store the numerical value in your database, you have to use the number data type. Now number data type take two arguments. One is precision, but one is scale. So what is precision? Precision is the number of all the digits present in a number. Okay, and what is scale? Scale is the number of digits present in the decimal place. So what is precision? Precision It is used to determine the number of digits in a numerical place. What is scale? Scale is used to determine the number of digits we store in a decimal place within the precision. Okay, understood? Let me one more example. Okay, suppose 2345.78. Now, how many digits in this? In this number we have 6 digits. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. Okay, we write 2, 6 comma 2. This is the only way to write the number data type in your database. So guys, this completes our full data types which are present in our DBMS. Okay, so thank you so much. Please support the channel. Please subscribe the channel, guys. Bye bye.